Good morning.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
I'm fine.
Fine.
Thank you.
Okay. I had sent the notes and the homework on the previous day, yesterday, isn't it? Have you seen the notes?
Yes.
Have you completed it?
Yes.
And what about the homework? Have you done it?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Sure? Do you have the book? Can you lift it up and just show me?
Can I show it tomorrow? Yes.
Oh, okay. Those who have the book now, you can just lift the book up and show me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
I did not write.
Yes, okay. Mayuga.
I will show you at 2:20.
Okay, Hadlin.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I did not.
Adrinath. Renfred, Aiden, Rohan. Okay, good, good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm in my mother's.
Okay, no problem. You can show me. Anyway, you have to do it. That's all. You have done it, right? Okay, good, good. Okay, Ivan.
Yes.
Esther. Yes. So we were doing the topic division using number line, isn't it? Do you remember how to do it?
Practice it. Mama, practice it.
You have practiced. Very good.
Yeah.
Today I'm planning to take a small test of multiplication fact, division fact, and division using number line. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Before that, we will just revise. We'll just revise and then I will conduct a test. Okay. Now, can you just tell me what is division fact? Representing?
Representing.
Not reading. You are not allowed to read, and I did not tell you to read the answer. Representing the numbers? Yes. Yes, good. Representing the numbers using the symbol divided by and equal to is called division fact. And what is multiplication fact? What is multiplication fact? Division fact is with divided by and equal to, isn't it? Then what is multiplication fact? Into and equal to. Okay. Now, what is division? What is division? It is repeated subtraction. Good. Yes, good. Addition is repeated subtraction and it is sharing things equally. Yes. And what is the symbol of division called? The symbol of division? Divided by. Good. Good, children. Okay, good. We will just revise all those topics that we had already done, and I am going to conduct a small test.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. How many marks? Okay, ma'am.
Okay, out of 6.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you mute yourself. I'm going to share the board.
In the link.
No, it's not through the link. I will be showing the question paper on the board.
Okay,
And you have to do it in your rough book. Okay. Now all of you close your book. Hold your hands and look at the board. We will just revise it. Okay, so what I told now, I told no to touch the book now, isn't it? That means no need of writing anything. Just close your book, fold your hands and look at me. Look at the board. So, the first one,
Ma'am.
form 2 multiplication facts. Please mute. Somebody is sitting unmuted. Can you please mute? Form 2 multiplication facts. I'm going to give one division fact, and from there you have to form two multiplication facts. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Whether it is a division fact or a multiplication fact.
Division fact. 5.
Yes.
5 divided
10
by
divided by 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. This is a division fact. How can you identify a multiplication fact and a division fact? Catherine, wait, 1 second. Catherine, how can you identify a multiplication and a division fact? What is the difference between them? Catherine, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, yes. What is the difference between, how can you identify a division fact?
Because the symbol of division is divided by.
By looking at the symbols, isn't it? If the numbers are related using divided by and equal to, it will be a division fact. And if the numbers are related using into and equal to, it will be a multiplication fact. Good. Now this is a division fact. A division fact is given over there and you have to form two multiplication facts. We have done it. Now Fida, one multiplication fact. Give me one multiplication fact. Catherine, mute. Abigail, mute.
5 into 2 is equal to 10.
Yes, good. Only one. Good, good. Quotient into divisor is equal to 10. Good. This is one multiplication fact. Another one, Anna.
Yes, ma'am.
Second multiplication fact.
2 into 5 are 10.
Yes, 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Good. So this is the way we form two multiplication facts out of one division fact. You have to just interchange the numbers. Divisor into quotient will be the dividend. Then quotient into divisor will be the same, dividend. So dividend will be the answer in both the cases. And the divisor and the quotient has to be interchanged. That's all. Okay. Now next one. Before conducting a test, I am just making you revise. So form two division facts. Next one, two multiplication. I will give one multiplication fact and you have to form two division facts. Please, please. Here, 8 into 4 is equal to 32. Now, Mivon, a multiplication fact is given over there, and from that multiplication fact you have to form one division fact. Mivon, speak something, let me see whether I can hear you. 32
Divided.
Yes, divided by 8. Okay. Please, I am asking to Mivon. 30. Please mute, my dears. Yes, 32 divided by 8
4
is equal to 4. Yes. Okay, good. The multiplication fact was given and out of that he made a division fact. Now next one, Devatmak. Devatmak, are you writing? I told not to write. I told not to touch the book. Yes. Second division fact?
32
Yes.
divided by 4 is equal to 8.
Okay, good, good. So the quotient, the product will be the dividend in both the cases. And these two numbers, the multiplicand and the multiplier has to be interchanged. When you will use multiplicand as the divisor, the multiplier will become the quotient. And when you will use the divisor as the, when you will use multiplier as the divisor, the multiplicand will become the quotient, isn't it? You have to just interchange the numbers. And the product will be the first number, will be the dividend.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
What will be the answer of a number if any number is divided with 0?
We will learn about the properties after this. Okay.
Okay.
When we will learn about the properties, we will learn all those things. Okay, dear? Yes. Okay. Now next one is division using number line. Tomorrow we will learn about the properties. Division using number line. Now suppose a number is given as 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So what is to be done first, Ivan? 12 divided by 3 is equal to dash. So what is to be done to find out the answer? What is to be done first?
We need to put a number line.
Yes, you have to draw a number line. A line has to be drawn. From which number we have to start?
From 0.
From 0. Okay, from 0.
1.
Yes, 3, 4 till how much?
12.
Till 12. Good. The dividend is 12. So you have to write the numbers on the number line till 12. Yes. Good. Mute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now what is to be done next? Hadlin? After drawing the number line, what is to be done next? Hadlin?
We have to, from 12.
First we have to circle the dividend, isn't it? Yes. We have to circle the dividend. Then second number is 3. The divisor is 3. So we have to circle all the third number. Since the divisor is 3, all the third number is to be circled. 1, 2, 3. Good, Adeline. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. From 12 to 0, you have to circle all the third number. You are circling the third number because the divisor is 3. The group is 3. Okay. Then you have to give a jump from 12 to 9 to the circled number. 12 to 9, then 9 to 6, then 6 to 3, then 3 to 0. After that, check how many jumps has been taken. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 jumps has been taken. So 4 will be the answer. Okay. So this is the way division is done using number line. In the previous class we did, isn't it? Now shall I show you the question paper? Are you all ready?
Ma'am, ready.
All of you take your rough book then. Take a new page. Take a fresh page.
We can write at the back side of the textbook.
Textbook.
Sorry, rough book.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so all of you put the date. Today's date is 5. 5/11/2021.
I am taking a paper. Soon, ma'am, I'm coming late.
What happened? Why you are late?
I cannot get the class. I have a network issue.
Okay. Okay, Agnes. I'm going to conduct a test. Take your rough book. Take a new page. We had revised all the topics.
Ma'am, my rough book page is finished, so I
Then
am
what to do?
paper.
Okay. It's your wish. If you want, you can write it in a paper. Is the question paper clear, children?
Yes. Yes. Ma'am, can you zoom it?
It is already zoomed.
Okay. Okay. Questions? Then we have to
Ah,
write the question.
The questions, yes.
We have to write the question.
Just write the division fact and write the multiplication fact in the first one. Don't write the full question. It's not needed. Put the date first. Today is 5/11/2021. First question, form two multiplication facts. 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. The division fact is given and from there you have to form two multiplication facts. Second one, form two division facts. For the multiplication fact, 6 into 5 is equal to 30. Third one, divide using number line. 14 divided by 7 is equal to dash. Second one, 9 divided by 3 is equal to dash. First and second is very easy. Doesn't take much time. In the third one, you have to draw two number lines.
Ma'am, we want to write the question.
Yes, yes. The division fact and the multiplication facts is to be written. The full question is not needed.
Ma'am, what is the second question?
Second one, form two division facts. 4, 6 into 5 is equal to 30.
Okay, ma'am. ma'am, in the third one, we have to write with number line.
Yes, yes, you have to draw a number line.
30 divided by 5.
Please, who is sitting unmuted? Can you please check your device whether it is unmuted or not? I mean, it is muted or not?
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, okay. After completing your work, just click on that raise hand button.
Only 3 questions. Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, my dear. Okay, I will give 1 more minute for completing. Some are drawing the number.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Okay,
My work is
good.
done.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Okay, dears. Some of you have finished and some are doing it.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Please, what I told just to click on that raise hand button. Okay, then we'll start discussing the answers.
Ma'am, somebody is not finished.
Please, Catherine. I told unnecessarily don't unmute your device. Adrinath.
Yes, ma'am.
Adrinath, in the first one, the division fact is given and form one multiplication fact from there, dear.
4 into 8.
Yes. 4 into 8 is equal to
32.
32. Yes.
8 into 4.
Okay, Adrinath. Okay. Good.
Thank
Mute.
you, ma'am.
8 into 4 is equal to 32. It is out of 6. Put a tick mark if your first and second is correct. Please.
Ma'am, can we change the order?
Yes, no problem. If you have written 8 into 4 is equal to 32 as the first one, no problem. The two multiplication facts should be there, that's all.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now second one. Evelyn.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, second one. A multiplication fact is given and from there you have to form the division facts. Form the first division fact, dear.
13 divided by
30
30
divided by yes.
by 5
Yes.
equal 6.
Okay, good. Mute. If it is correct, put a tick mark. Now, next one. Abha, next one. Second division fact.
30
30.
divided by
Yes.
6 is 5.
Okay, good. If it is correct, put a small tick mark over there. Good, dear. Now, in the next one, divide using number line. I'm going to draw, all of you mute. I'm going to draw a number line over here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now, Adidev CN, after drawing the number line, what is to be done first, Adidev? After drawing the number line, what is to be done first?
We need to jump.
We? Adidev CN, whether we have
Yes,
to,
ma'am.
yes, whether we have to circle any number?
Yes.
Which number is to be circled first?
0.
0 is to be circled first. Then
14.
0 and 14. In the first step, what is the first step? Which number is to be circled first? In the first
0.
step. No.
2.
No. Sahrish, which number is to be circled first? Sahrish.
14.
14. The dividend is to be circled first. Because that is the number which is to be divided. Isn't it? If you have 14 balloons, the 14 balloon is to be divided. Isn't it? So first you should have 14 balloons. Then only you can divide. So the dividend is to be circled first. 14. The biggest number is to be circled first. The dividend. Then after that, what is to be done? Good, Sarish. Next, Agnel Gills.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. After leaving how many numbers you have to put a circle after 14?
9.
After leaving 9 numbers in the first one.
Ma'am, can I see?
Please let Agnel try. 14 is circled first. Then which number is to be circled next?
9.
So after leaving 1, 2, 3, 4. After leaving 4 numbers, the fifth one is to be circled. Why you are circling like that? What is the reason? Giselle, after 14, which number is to be circled next?
8.
8. After leaving how many numbers you have to circle?
2.
No.
5.
No, enough,
7,
enough,
7.
enough, enough. I don't want many answers. I want only one answer.
Ma'am, can I?
1 second, 1 second. Nived, after 14, which number is to be circled next?
Ma'am, the answer is 2.
No, I didn't ask the answer. I asked after 14, which is the next number which is to be circled?
Ma'am, 7.
7. Yes. Why you are circling 7? Because the second number is 7. According to the divisor, you have to circle the number. Every 7, if the divisor is 7, every 7th number is to be circled. If the divisor is 2, every second number is to be circled, isn't it? So after 14, count and the 7th number is to be circled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then what is to be done? Adidev CN. Good, good. Adidev CN, what is to be done next? I have put the circle. Then after that, what is to be done next? You have to give a jump from 14 to 7. From 14 to 7. Then
7 to 0.
7 to 0. So how many jumps has been taken here?
2.
2 jumps. 1, 2. This is the way you are getting the answer using number line. Okay, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Now next, Agnel Joshi. I'm going to draw as, for the next one. If the answer is correct, if the number line is also correct, then only you have to put a tick mark. Otherwise, below that you just correct it. 6, 7, 8, 9. Agnel, which number is to be circled first, my dear?
Divided.
I have drawn, yes.
9.
9. 9 is to be circled first. Then after 9.
6.
6. Good, good. Mute. After 9, the dividend is to be circled first. The number which is to be divided is to be circled first. After that, according to the divisor, you have to select the number. Every third number, here the divisor is 3. So every third number is to be circled. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Till 0, you have to circle the numbers. Then you have to give a jump. From 9 to 6. Then from 6 to 3. Then from 3 to 0. So how many jumps?
3.
You have taken 3 jumps. So the answer will be
3.
Answer is 3. Okay, good. So if the answer is correct, if the number line that you have drawn and the jumps that you have taken is also correct, then only you have to put a tick mark. Otherwise, correct it below that.
Correct.
If everything is correct,
Ma'am,
yes.
Ma'am, I got full mark.
Good, good. If everything is correct,
Ma'am, I got
give 6 out of 6. Every tick mark carries 1 mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, and for the number line 5 and 6. Okay, so division using number line is to be practiced once again.
Ma'am,
Okay, dears. So, okay, good. Those who have got full marks, very good, dears. And those who did not get full marks, you have to just revise once again. Division and all. Okay, division using number line. And now,
Ma'am, I got
so I will be taking properties. And Renfrett's doubt will be cleared tomorrow. Okay, my dear. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow, Saturday. Okay, thank you, children. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.